Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 20th when I'm recording this, and so far what we're seeing with the market is that we're getting some pullback, and this is exactly what we've been looking for and waiting for, and it will be healthy for the market. Internals, not too bad, but they are negative. You see that here and here. So, basically just kind of buckle up, hang on for the ride, and we'll see when we find some names that are kind of coming down. Squarespace is kind of something I'm looking at down and through here. You see it's been pulling back maybe into the daily 50. We had Toast also pull back. You can see here right into about the daily 50. And let's see, another one, HAYW, also pulling back into the daily 50. So a lot of these names, they're doing what we want them to do. This makes sense. We're waiting for them to pull back into support areas. And then we kind of just see how long this goes for and when things start shaping up again. So yeah, so far everything's kind of normal. We know that the internal breadth, the number of names over their 50-day SMA was very, very bullish, kind of getting to the overbought condition. And so at this point, yeah, we just got to let things kind of cycle back down and give us some new opportunities out there. So just kind of sit tight, find your bids, and we'll wait until the market gives us a better hand. Thanks, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.